Have you ever wished you could code at superhuman speed without ever leaving your keyboard? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 4, where we're about to unlock the true power of Claude Code / commands that can 10x your productivity. Let's quickly recap where we are. So far, we've explored what Claude Code is, how to install it anywhere, and even built our very first project together. Now, it's time to take things to the next level by mastering the command line magic that makes Claude Code truly shine. Imagine you need help, but don't want to hunt through menus or documentation. Just type /help and Claude will instantly serve up context-aware guidance right where you are. It's like having a personal coding assistant on call 24/7. Need to reset your workspace? /clear wipes your current context, keeping things organized and letting you start fresh in seconds. If you're dealing with a long, cluttered session, /compact quickly summarizes and streamlines your conversation so you don't lose track of what matters. When you want to kick off a new project, /init sets up the essential scaffolding, including the all-important Claude.md file. This file keeps your project goals, requirements, and instructions in one spot, perfect for keeping you and Claude on the same page. Wondering if your code is up to professional standards? Use /review to trigger a full code review. Claude will scan your code for bugs, best practices, and even suggest optimizations. It's like having a senior engineer pair programming with you anytime you need it. Ready to commit your changes? /commit isn't just a shortcut for version control, it's smart. Claude suggests commit messages, summarizes your changes, and can even push directly to your repo, saving you time and keeping your history clean. Worried about your cloud costs or API usage? /cost gives you a real-time breakdown of your Claude Code spending, so you can stay on budget and avoid surprises. When you're facing a big feature or a tricky bug, /plan helps you break it down into actionable steps. Claude will generate a detailed action plan, track your progress, and even assign subtasks if you want to collaborate with others. And here's the real game changer: custom /commands. You can create your own commands, maybe to automate deployments, trigger tests, or integrate with third-party tools. Just edit your Claude.md or use the built-in command editor, and suddenly, Claude Code fits your workflow perfectly. By mastering these /commands, you're not just coding faster, you're coding smarter. Every repetitive task and context switch fades away, so you can focus on what really matters: building great software. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next episode.